In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Remove the connector. There's a push button on the top. That's the push button. Then pull back. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the Phillips head screws. Pull the sensor straight up and remove it from the car. Install the new sensor. Install the screws. Make sure they're nice and snug. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, push back on it and make sure it's locked on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.